Hello guys, so this is another trading review. We are doing this from our mobile phone. I told you that I want to give you that confidence that you can trade using your mobile phone. So it's very simple. So this is today's trade on the Nasdaq, and on the second series of this trading review, I talk about some levels that I want to see price hit and give me my entry pattern. So this is, I was able to catch some move among all the among the massive move that happened today. So this is for the Nasdaq, and see the move here. Look at it. I closed the position too early because I was in a swing position on GBPUSD, but today it hit my stop loss, so I was not in the right mindset to take another long trade. So this is the trade on the Nasdaq. So this is another trade I took on GBPUSD, another buy. So this I took partial on this trade. I took some partial. Yeah, this I will show you exactly why I entered the trade. Just showing you this. So this is the entry that I missed, and on the Nasdaq, and I also missed another entry during the PM session. Look at it. This, yes, GBPUSD. And also on EURUSD, I took another buy. So, and I end up closing the position. So I will show you exactly what I was looking at while taking this guy. Let's go to our trading view. So on the second series of this trading review, I talk about this levels. I talk about these levels that I want to see price or hit either one of these three levels. Look at where you hit. This is what pure precision. So once price hit that level, I was on my 1 minute, 2 minute time frame waiting for my setup. Let's go to 2 minute time frame, or in this case it's 3 minute time frame, because I can't go back on the so this is the 3 minute time frame, and look at, I was waiting from 9:30 equity market open. So this is exactly 9:30 market trade up. So once price is trading up like this, I was on the 1 minute time frame. So look at it. This is where I entered the trade based on what happened here, because you see this line, this is where I don't want to see a body candle body closure above. If you want to go lower, if I want to go lower, I don't want to see body closure above this, because look at what's happened. we trade higher, and the next candle we crash to the downside. I think this candle should be my entry. I end up setting a limit here, but the limit was not triggered. Then I finally entered here. When this candles open and is trading higher like this, I entered. My stop loss was just here. So I was able to catch some move among all these moves. I was able to catch. And another entry that I miss was this reverse trade. It was a very beautiful setup, but I miss it because I was not in the charts. I was not on my phone, so I was away. So I was watching this 50%. So once I hit this, so I was just waiting for what I call the last brain of the algorithm. So I was just waiting for that last candle to get traded above. In this case, I was just monitoring each candle that is forming here. So and finally, once we have this body closure above this level, then that is where I know that we are going higher, and the least target is this high. The least target is this high here. So and this fair value gap that I was monitoring. So but I was away. Price was already hitting that buy side liquidity before I saw this. So and at that fair value gap, we have this. The fair value gap was very clear on the 5-minute time frame. This is on 5-minute time frame. Yeah, on 5-minute time frame, we have this best fair value gap here. Look at it. I was monitoring the 50% PM session, and the same pattern I want to see. Even on 5 minutes is doing it. So here I don't even need to go into lower time frame, but for a sake, let's go to 3 minutes and see, and I'll analyze everything what I was seeing for you. So once price hit that level, so this is the first candle I was monitoring, because this candle here is the last brain of the algorithm. All these candles, they are just time distortion. So this is the real candle here. So this is the last brain of the algorithm. So I want to see a body closure below it. Once it happens like that, what I'm monitoring is this. You see this line? This is the line I don't want to see a body closure below. Sorry, above, if price wants to go lower. So once price is tracing, we have this another last brain. Look at it. So price traded above it. I was waiting for the next candles to cancel it back, because it doesn't have to do this. It doesn't have to. So look at these two candles. It canceled it back. Then another candle we traded up. So we cancel it back again. Then we traded up and finally cancel it back again. Once this is happened, I think this should be my entry as far as our model is concerned. So our entry should be here. Our entry should be around here. Then stop loss will just be on 2 minutes. You might see a fair value gap there, but I think 3 minutes is okay for this trade, because I don't like 1 minute. Your stop loss will just be here. The least target is that low. So 1 to 6 leads to reward. Look at it, very beautiful trade. In few minutes you bag 1 to 6. So look at it on the 1 minute. So once price created this was fair value gap, I think that is where your entry will be. Use your entry. Once price reaches into it, then your stop loss will just be here. A safe entry stop loss will be here. That is the safest um area. So this is it for the Nasdaq. On the GBPUSD, I told you I was monitoring some trade. And so initially I was swinging this trade for price to go higher, and I'm still of the fact very bullish on this guy. I'm still bullish, but seeing what price is doing now, once price leave this candle here, look at this big candle, so I know the next target is this fair value gap here for price to go higher again. So but I'm watching what the next candle will do, because right now I'm not seeing anything. So my position was here. I was holding the position, and it went with me to the upside in the morning. I didn't close it. I was just holding in the name of swinging, but later it stopped me out. Then I entered based on what I see on the, I think, 1 hour time frame. We had that fair value volume imbalance, but this broker is not showing that volume imbalance. So once I have this, look at why I entered this trade. Look at exactly why I entered this trade. So on the 5 minutes, I see that okay, price has hit this level here. This way is very simple. Look at it, price hit it, and I'm seeing what several candle being treated what above. So the only area I was monitoring, because I was very be careful on this trade. I don't want to swing this trade again. I was monitoring this. This is the level I was monitoring. This is the level I was monitoring. So this is the only level I was monitoring here. I think on the 2 minutes I saw a very clean setup, but I can't go back on 2 minutes here, so I have to use the 3-minute time frame. So once price hit this level here, this blue line, so I was just watching for my last brain of the algorithm to get traded above. So for my confirmation, once that happened, I think I use the 2-minute time frame. One does happen, so any candle that is trading back, so that is where I entered. So in this case, if you use 1 minute, you could have entered early, but I'm not a fan of 1 minute time frame. Could have entered here. Once price do this, so your entry could be here. Even you can use fair value gap entry, but me, I'm okay with once this price is trading down, I'm okay. So but you can also use this fair value gap as your entry here, so you can enter your stop loss or see. I think this trade I have about 1 to 4 or 1 to 2. Yeah, I think it's 1 to 2 in position. Could have entered here, then stop loss will just be here, then you target this high. I think I have 1 to 3 here. Then I end up closing the trade. Then price went into the upside. I took partial, then price collapsed to the downside. Same thing on the Euro USD. Same thing on the Euro USD. So let's check it out. Euro USD. So Euro USD, I got in very early. So I think it was this candle. Once you have a body closure here. That's where I entered. So my stop loss, because this range is too wide, so my stop loss was somewhere around here. So I almost stopped out on this trade. It almost stopped me out on this trade, but it went with me to the upside and then collapsed to the downside. So if you can see here, let me show you guys. So this is the GBPUSD. This is your USD chart. So I love the 2-minute time frame. Look at it, very beautiful price action. Look at it. This is on 3 minutes. I think on 2 minutes is where I entered. So yeah, look at it. This is exactly where I entered. So one price trade into this. Are you seeing this line, this black line? Once price traded into it, that's where I entered. Look at it here. So price went into the upside before collapsing to the downside. So I think this will be the end of today's trading reviews. So what I'm expecting tomorrow is Tuesday. It's obviously it's 25th of February. Yeah. Then I think I don't have any bias on the Euro, USD, and GBPUSD. And for Nasdaq, I think I'm still bearish. I told you that if you leave that range, let me show you that if you leave this range on the Nasdaq, the next one is the sell side liquidity below market price. Yeah, there are a lot of sell side liquidity. So there are a lot of sell side liquidity here. Look at it. So but the nearest target is this. You see this level here will be the nearest target. So and the longest target is this sell side liquidity here. But how, if this candle wants to go up, where can it go and how far can it go? Let me show you this level here. How far can this candle go? I think it can go here. That is the first one. Then it can hit this point. And I think this is the highest it can go. Or it can hit this point as well. So let's see how tomorrow we play out. Those are the 3 levels I'm watching on the Nasdaq. So talk to you next time.